Elap Mabuhungu Stadium County Kakamega tuge kind club mar AFC Leopards gi Kakamega HomeBoyz no kethore bang Tulo muoche pap e tugono mar lig maduong' pachoka.
Tugono mane dhi nyime Elap Mabuhungu no bedo kod ng'ikruok bang club mar AFC Leopards kotelnegi kod kocha margi Patrick Osems ng'anyo kendo wuok e pap ka giwacho ni jakudh firimbi ne tayo tugono e yo marach.
Ramogi juang mano kelo tulo mano miyo johera mag AFC Leopards donje pap ka obila no tiyo giro malongo wang mondo mi okegi oko.
Seche mane Tulo muoch club mar Kakamega HomeBoyz ne ni nyime gol 1-0.
Today's match was a high voltage match. You remember, sisi ndo tulizuia HomeBoyz kushinda league last time. Now of course we knew watakuja na hiyo ghadhabu. So having less than 10 police officers in a match like this imekuwa very pathetic, number one. Number two, we cannot have referees refing ile mechi hawako. Opponent akipiga mpira kichwa itoke nje, that's not a corner. Goalkeeper akishika mpira nje ya box, that's a red card na atolewe.
Next time lazima hao mashabiki waweze kuelimishwa. Sababu kitu hajaletwa na governor, hajaletwa na chairman mwenzangu, hajaletwa na mimi. Ni mashabiki ndio wameleta hiyo shida.
What I want to warn our fans is that when we come to watch a football match, this is not supposed to create enmity because HomeBoyz and AFC Leopards, we belong to the same family.